Children, this is third main. Add the following. Fourth question: L square plus m square plus n square plus L square. Okay, and then here 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. So this is trinomial, binomial, and this is also binomial. Okay, now first what we have here, L square plus m square. Write that L square plus m square. What is the quotient of L square? Is 1, m square is 1. If there is no coefficient, that means there is 1. Okay, children. So then in this m square is there, we have to match accordingly, uh, like terms. Okay, then n square, there is no n square, write separately. Then let us go to next, n square plus L square is there. So n square, so n square you write and L square here. Then last 2lmn plus 2mn plus 2nl. There are no like terms here. Okay, so at last you have to write. Now L square plus L square is how much? 2L square plus m square is 2m square. N square plus n square is 2n square. Okay, coefficients you have to add. Then plus 2lm, as it is, you have to write 2lmn plus 2mn plus 2nl. Okay, so homework is first to third. Okay, 3 problems are there, so you have to add it. The next is fourth main. C question I have taken. Subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. From 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So first from it is there. So we have to write this first. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Okay, now next is we have to match it. 10 minus 10 right here, then 8p minus 8p right here, then 7q, where is 7q right here, then matching this. Okay, minus 3pq, then next is 5p q square plus 4p square q. 4p square q, it comes in the last. Since it is subtraction, so we have to change the signs. Minus there plus, minus is there plus, plus is there minus, minus is there plus, plus is there minus, plus is there minus. So now 10 plus 10 is 18 plus 10 is 28, plus minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5. Bigger number has plus sign, so subtracting, after subtracting 5p you will get minus 11 minus 7 is minus 18q plus 5 plus 3 is plus 8pq minus 2, then minus 5 is minus 7pq square plus 5 minus 4 is 1 plus 1p square q. This is what the answer. So accordingly you have to do the homework A and B. Next is multiplication of algebraic expressions. Next we have multiplication of algebraic expressions. Okay, so now multiplying 2, 3 or more monomials. Okay, more. Then 5x into 3y is how to multiply, children? Here 5 into 3 into x into y. So how much you get? 15xy. Okay, so minus 7y into minus 2xy is minus 7 into minus 2 y into x into y. Okay, now if you multiply minus into minus plus 7 2s are 14 y square y into y, the powers, that is the powers we have to add here. 1 here minus into minus plus 7 2s are 14 y into y square into x. Okay, similarly another problem, another example, minus 8 by 7 yz into 1 by 2 xyz, minus 8 by 7 into 1 by 2 into y into x into z. 8 by 7 2s are 14, y into y square, x into z is xz. So now your 8 and 7 is divisible, 8 and 14 is divisible, 2 4 is 8, 2 7s are, so minus 4 by 7 y square xz. Okay children, the next is 2x into 5y into 7z is equal to 2 into, what do you get, 2 into 5 into x into y into z. So what you get, 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 10 7s are 70. Okay, 70 x y z. Now minus 6 x cube y cube into 5 x square y square plus into 4 xy. Similar way we have to multiply here. Okay, and after multiplying we'll get this much answer. Then example, complete the table for area of a rectangle with given length and breadth. L length is here, breadth is here, and area L into B. Just you have to multiply like this. Okay children, this is the table. Now example, find the volume of each of rectangular box with given length. Volume is length, breadth and height. That is, volume formula is what? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So here you have to multiply all the three terms here, length into breadth into height. Accordingly you have to multiply here. You will get the answer here is 30 ABC XYZ. So like that, that means all the remaining two problems also you have to solve like this. Then exercise 6.2 in this, find the product of the following pairs of monomials. So here fifth one, 4p and 0 they have given. Product we have to find out. So 4p into 0 is equal to 0. Then next problem is minus 4p into 7p cube. Here minus into plus, minus 4 7s are 28. P to the power 1, p to the power 1, so p to the power 2. Powers you have to add when you have the same variable. Then q as it is. Okay. Homework 1 to 4. Okay. Now next is find second main, find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths, breadths are means given respectively. PQ, length, area is length into breadth, that is equal to P into Q. PQ you will get 3 mn and 4 nmp, np. Area is length into breadth, 3 mn into 4 np is equal to 3 4s are 12. mp, n into n is powers, you can multiply this, n into n to the power 2, n square p. Okay, homework, this is what I have given here. Please do the homework. Then next is third main, complete the table of products. Homework that you can do it in example also I have told. Please do this. Homework page number 96. Now next fourth main, obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Okay, here volume we have to find out. Here length, breadth and height they have given. Volume is length into breadth into height. Xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, x to the power 1 2 3, sorry 1 2 3, then 4, x to the power 4. Similarly y to the power 1, here 1 is there and here 2, so totally 4. So 4 x to the power 4, y to the power 4. Now homework, here 1 2 and 4. Then fifth main, obtain the product of, fifth problem here, m minus mn mnp. So m into minus mn into mnp is equal to m into n, m to the power 3, minus plus into minus, minus into plus, again minus, so m cube, n to the power 2 and then p. Homework 1 to 4. Okay. Next is multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Okay, you are multiplying monomial by a binomial. So here you can see minus 7x is a monomial. Okay, and 3x plus 5 is a binomial. So minus 7x into, so minus 7, you have to distribute this minus 7x to 3x and 5. Minus 7x into 3x, then minus into plus is minus, okay, 7x into 5. Okay, that is minus into plus is minus, 7 3s are 21, x square, you know how you got, children, power 1, here 1, so totally you have 2. So then minus 7 5s are 35x. Okay, now next topic is multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Okay, when trinomial is given, how to multiply with the monomial? So 3p times 5p square minus 2p minus 6 is equal to 15p cube minus 6p square minus 18p. Okay, example, simplify the expressions and evaluate them as directed. X into x minus 3 plus 2 for x is equal to 1. X into x minus 3 plus 2 is equal to, we have to multiply this. X into x is x into x minus 3. We can multiply, is it not? So therefore x into x is x square minus 3x into 3 is 3x plus 2. Okay. For x is equal to 2, you have to substitute x is equal to 2. 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Okay. So now second one is 3y times 3y into 2y minus 7 minus 3 into minus 3 into y minus 4 minus 63 for y is equal to minus 2. 6y square minus 21. How we got 6y square? 3 2s are 6. Y into y is y square minus 3 7s are 21y. See children, again and again in the examples also I have told y square, how you got y to the power 1 and y to the power 1. So totally 2. Okay, therefore 6y square minus 21y minus 3 into y is 3y minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12 minus 63. Now here two like terms we have, minus 21y minus 3y. We can simplify like terms. Okay, 6y square minus 21 minus 3 is 24y minus 12 like terms again, 12 minus 63 is minus 51. Now 6 times y is minus 2 whole square minus 24 into y is minus 2 minus 51. So 6 times minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, 24, 4 6 are 24. Minus into minus is plus, 24 2s are 48, then minus 51. Okay, now 24 plus 48 is 72 minus 51 is 21. Example, add 5m times 3m, 3 minus m and 6m square minus 13m. So this first we have to simplify. Simplify in the sense we have to multiply this one. So 5m into 3 minus m is equal to 5 3s are 15 m minus 5m into m is square, m square. So 15m minus 5m square. Okay. Now let us write 15m minus 5m square, then 13m like terms minus 13m, then plus 6m square is plus 6m square. Simplify, plus minus is there, we have to subtract. 15 minus 13 is 2m, bigger number has plus sign, so plus 2m. Minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1m square. Okay. Now second problem is 4y into 3y square plus 5y minus 7 and 2 times y cube minus 4y square plus 5. Okay. Now 12y cube plus 20y square minus 28y. Okay. By multiplying we got here. Then 2y cube minus 2 4s are 8y square plus 2 5s are 10. Now 12, write this 12y cube plus 20y square minus 28y. Here 2y cube minus 8y square plus 10. Okay, 10, there is no other term for this. So, and then 10 also there is no other term. So, write separately. 12, then here we have to add, isn't it? So, 12, again I have written here 12 plus 12 adding, isn't that? Adding, yeah, plus 12, and then this is 2y cube. So it is actually 14 children, this is, sorry, 14y cube plus 20 minus 8 is, you have to subtract, so 12 you will get. 20 minus 8 is 12y square, then minus 28 have as it is, you have to write minus 28y plus 10. Okay, the next example is subtract 3p cube into p minus q from 2p cube plus, sorry, into p plus q. 3p cube into p minus q is equal to 3 into p to the power 2 q, okay, minus 3p q square. Q into q is q square. Similarly, 2pq into p plus q is 2p square q plus 2pq square. Okay, now write, so from this we have to subtract this one. So we have to write 2p square q plus 2pq square, 3p square q minus 3pq square. So here, since we have to subtract, so therefore we have to change the sign. Plus is there here minus is there, plus. Okay, now plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1p square q, plus 2 plus 3 is plus 5pq square. Okay, so here this is what the answer for examples. Now exercise 6.3, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. First one, 4p comma q plus r, 4p into q plus r, 4pq plus 4p r will get, multiplying. Then pq plus qr plus rp and 0. If you multiply both, what you get, children? 0 only. So please do the, okay, this is what the solutions I have given for this. I have explained also now. Now accordingly do this problems. 3 problems are there. Please multiply. Okay, multiply. Then next is here, complete the following. Okay, complete the following. Please refer textbook page number 98 and do the homework in homework notebook. Now third main, find the product. First one, a square into a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. Okay, here a square into 2a to the power 22 and 4a to the power 26. Now what are the numerals? Let us see. Here 1 is there. Okay, quotient of a square is 1. 1 into 2 into 4 is 8. Okay, then a square, a square, a to the power 22, a to the power 26. 2 plus 22 plus 26. So here a to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26 is equal to 8 a to the power 50. Adding all this we get 50. Okay. Now similarly third problem is minus 10 by 3 p cube into 6 by 5 p cube. Okay. Minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5 into p to the power 1 plus 3 into q to the power 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, then 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 2 twos are 4, minus sign is there, 2 twos are 4, p to the power 1 plus 3 is 4, q to the power 4. Okay, now homework, please do these 2 problems homework. Okay, now fourth main, simplify 3x into 4x minus 3 plus 3 and find its values for x is equal to 3, x is equals to 1 by x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 by 2. Now 3x times 4x minus 3 plus 3. Okay, so now let us multiply this. 3 4s are 12, x into x is x square, minus 3 5s are 15, x plus 3. Okay, now second one is what they have given, x is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute that 12 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. 4 1s are 4 3s are 12. Okay, So 3 minus 15 by 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3 by taking LCM. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 15 by 2. Take LCM. 1 and 2. LCM is 2. From LCM 2 you have to divide 1. If you divide 2 you will get 6 2s are 12 minus 2 1s are 2. 1 15s are 15. 12 minus 15 is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now homework is there. Homework is x is equal to 3. For the means you have to substitute in this. Okay, and find out the value. Okay children, thank you.